yes. As we don't see am so say Obi don dey okay like this, as in dey Osun State for his uncle inauguration. May the soul of Ifeanyi rest in peace. After wetin don happen, we thank God. Na God we suppose dey thank for everything wey happen to human being. You see, so anything wey wan happen to mankind, na God hand dey o. May Ifeanyi soul rest in peace. We forever remember you, our hero. Now to Davido, as in dey Osun, she say he don dey okay, and we thank God say God no let wetin happen may e pass this one. We congratulate Davido uncle for the success to be governor of Osun State. You don see as Davido don dey, Chioma dey, im father too dey, and other DMW members, crew, friends, loved ones, people plenty for ground wey dem dey. As we see am so say Davido go Osun, we don see so many bloggers so wey talk say Davido go Osun say e no carry Chioma. And as Davido father Adeleke Ademola see Davido, na Chioma im first ask to say Davido with Chioma. As he say Chioma na good girl, na good lady from the beginning. Immediately Davido introduced Chioma to his father. His father accepted Chioma with good and welcoming hand. What a lovely father. What a lovely family. As many bloggers so bad belle, as they don carry am around say, e be like say Davido, he no bring Chioma come in uncle inauguration for Osun State. But you see, say na lie. You see, as Davido dey arrive for soon, you see him friends, you see him family. Thank God we say these people, happy family, happy couples, they don't get themselves back online. As people don't take say Chioma throughout this year ends, he no go come online. But we thank God, say everything be like this. God know the best for the family Adeleke, Ademola, and loved ones. We know say as this life be, many people think say as something will happen to Davido, he no go come up again. But Elemi Night Club, Davido himself, DMW 30BG, he don't prove say he dey strong, he stand strong, he stand gidigba. Say nothing fit shake am, nothing fit shake am. I say nothing fit shake am. As you see say Davido don carry himself go Osun State, go meet him uncle, him father dey, Israel DMW dey, Juju in the grand. This is everywhere dey okay. As rich people dey so, and they carry things for them. You see, everybody don move on. Everybody don move on. You know, so things go go down for Davido and Adeleke family. As things don dey turn like this, as you see, as things don be so, after Ifeanyi demise, as we see don see say things don be, people don dey think say Chioma no go get himself back. But thank God people don see say Chioma sef don get himself back. Because that time we know say Chioma im dey just sit down cry, dey follow herself talk, im dey skip her meal. We even hear say as Chioma dey so na good woman she be o. She no fit use one minute make him use am take call Ifeanyi. You see the true love of child. They say this love na unmeasurable. You no fit measure this love. RIP to Ifeanyi, as we no fit forget you. Great child, great kid. But wetin don happen don happen, because we know say God knows the best thing for Adeleke Ademola family. Bad belle people dey. They no even gree let Chioma rest. Chioma na strong woman, we pray say these things wey don happen, God go replace am with something wey go pass their expectation for Ademola Adeleke family. Beg, no forget to subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Comment, pass your own opinion for wetin dey happen. As we hear am so, we don hear say many people don dey talk say, shey na this time suppose Davido may come out, May you come dey celebrate, may you come dey laugh, may you come dey do all these things wey they do online, where people they see. As far as say Davido no post anything for him page for Instagram or for any social media, and we see bloggers still they carry am saying they do this and they do that. Beg me leave am. Wetin don't happen. God knows the best for Davido and Ademola, Adeleke. As you see, say we don't miss this artist, great artist Davido. We miss you so much. Some people even dey talk say she no be because of wetin happen Davido go pay bride price for Chioma. That's why your father talk and family talk say there's something wey Davido suppose don do before. Say no be something wey Davido suppose not to do before. Say Davido suppose don do before the incident happen. Say no be anything. Say they no get anything for mind against say may they pay him bride price. If they don't pay the bride price where they want carry Chioma go, they possible. My people, many people don't they talk say now only God fit know what happen to him fine, and we know say something will happen to him fine. No fit happen again and again. Davido family, Adeleke family, Adeleke lover, they no go see something we go give them sorrow, we go give them pain, we go give all of us who will be fan and lovers of Adeleke, nothing go give us pain again. Something will happen, don't happen. We hope say God replace him with better thing. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on post notification for more updates. Turn on post notification, turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more updates. ilealayotv is wishing you Happy Christmas, Merry New Year, Merry in advance.